motor came out of generator number 6 while they are performing maintenance. Now the entire shaft spins at 180 revolutions per minute. And if you look down at that first generator, the one that's marked N1, you can actually see this shaft spinning. Now each one of our generators can produce up to 130 megawatts. Now that's a total of 2,080, and this is enough to supply power to over 1 million homes. Now to tell if our generators are operating, look down the power plant. Any generator that has the light lid on top, that generator is online. Now here at the dam, we actually do not rely on our commercial generators for power. We actually have 2 in-house generators. Now our in-house generator on this side is that rust-colored object that's embedded in the floor below. It is called the Pelton